Continue the chapter congruent triangles. There is question number 5. Line L. Line L is the bisector of angle A, and on line L there is a point B, and BP and BQ are perpendiculars on the arm of A. Then we have to show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Show that first part, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. And the second part, BP equals to BQ. Second part, we have to prove that side BP is equals to side BQ. Side BP equals to BQ, and the two triangles APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So we take two triangles from triangle APB and triangle AQB. Angle APB is equals to angle AQB equals to 90 degrees. Angle APB equals to angle AQB equals to 90 degrees. These two angles are equal because they are 90 degrees. And angle PAB is equals to angle QAB. Angle PAB is equals to angle QAB because AB is the bisector. L is the bisector. L is the bisector of angle A, which we have given. L line is the bisector of angle A, so this angle and this angle will be equal. And side AB is common for both the triangles. So AB equals to AB. That is the common side for both the triangles. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by angle side, by AAS, and by CPCT, BP equals to BQ. BP equals to BQ by CPC. So we prove that BP equals to BQ and the two triangles are congruent. Now next question, question number 6, diagram is given. There are two triangles ABD and ACE. ABD. ABD and ACE. ABD and ACE, in which AC equals to AE. Side AC is equals to side AE, and side AB is equals to side AD. Angle BAD equals to angle EAC. Angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. So we have given, this is question number 6. We have given AC equals to AE. AB equals to AD. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Side AC equals to AE. Side AB equals to AD, and angle BAD equals to angle CAD. E and D are joined. We have to show that BC equals to DE. Show that BC equals to DE. Side BC is equals to side DE. So angle BAD equals to angle CAE. We have given angle BAD equals to angle CAE, and this is the common angle. So add angle CAD both sides. Add angle CAD both sides. So we get angle BAD plus angle CAD equals to angle CAE plus angle CAD. Now BAD plus CAD is written as angle BAC. Angle BAC, and CAE and CAD is written as angle DAE. Angle DAE. So we get the result angle BAC is equals to angle EAE. BAC means in triangle BAC, angle BAC, and in triangle DAE, angle DAE. These two angles are equal. Now we take the triangle ABC and ADE. In triangle ABC and in triangle ADE. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, we take two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADE. So in ABC, side AB, and from triangle ADE, side AD, we have given equal. So side AB equals to side AD. And in triangle ABC, side AC, and in triangle ADE, side AE, this is also given equal. So AC equals to AE, given. And just we have proved angle BAC equals to angle DAE. So angle BAC equals to angle DAE. Proved. Angle BAC equals to angle DAE we have proved. So by side angle side S, A and S, side angle side, these two triangles becomes congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE by SAS, side angle side axial. And in triangle ABC, there is a side BC, and in triangle ADE, the corresponding side is DE. So since the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, the side of triangle ABC is BC, and the side of triangle ADE is DE. So we can write that BC equals to DE. This proves the theorem. So let us see once. This angle is the common angle, and we have given BAD equals to CAE. So we added this angle, both sides, means angle CAD in this equation. So BAD plus CAD, it becomes angle BAC, and CAE plus angle CAD, it becomes DAE. So these two angles we have proved equal. Now we take the triangle ABC and ADE, in which from triangle ABC, side AB, and in triangle ADE, side AD. In triangle ABC, side AC, and in triangle ADE, side AE are equal. And this angle BAC equals to DAE we have proved. So by SAS, these triangles becomes congruent, and by CPCT, the side corresponding side BC and DE will be equal. Next question, question number 7. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint of AB. D and D are points on the same side of AB. There are 2 points, D and E. D and E are the points on the same side of the AB. D and E are the points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD join B to B and D to A. So P is the midpoint of AB and D are on the same side of the same point. D and D are points on the same side of AB and angle BAD equals to ABE. Angle BAD equals to angle ABE. These 2 angles are equal, BAD and ABE. Here given equal. Angle BAD is equals to angle ABE. Angle BAD equals to angle ABE and angle EPA. Angle EPA is equals to DPB. Angle EPA is equals to angle DPB. Angle EPA is equals to angle DPB. And this is the common angle. When we add this common angle in both the angles, then it becomes APD and BPE. Then show that DAP is congruent to EBP. DAP show that triangle DAP is congruent to EBP, congruent to triangle EBP. Triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and second part AD equals to BE. AD equals to BE. AD equals to BE. The first part triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and the second part AD equals to B. So we have given triangle angle BAD, angle EPA equals to angle DPD. This angle EPA is equals to angle DPB. So add common angle DPE or EPD. Add angle EPD both sides. Add angle EPD on both sides. We get angle EPA plus angle EPD equals to angle DPB plus angle EPD. Now EPA plus EPD, EPA plus EPD, it becomes APD. It becomes angle APD. So this becomes APD. And angle DPB, angle DPB plus EPD, it becomes angle PBE, angle BPE. Now we take the two triangles. In triangle DAP, in triangle DAP and triangle EBP, and triangle EBP, and we prove these two triangles as congruent. So we have proved that APB and angle BAD, this was given, angle BAD equals to angle ABE. So angle BAD means this angle BAD, name it angle 1 and name it angle 2. So in triangle DAP there is angle 1, and in triangle EBP there is angle 2, and these two angles are equal. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, and we have given that P is the midpoint. Therefore, AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP, and this we have proved that angle APD, EPA plus EPD is written as APD. So we have proved angle APD equals to APD, means this whole angle equals to angle BPE equals to angle BPE. So angle, side and angle by ASA, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP by ASA, angle, side angle, and by CPCT AD equals to BE. AD equals to BE by CPCT. So prove this theorem. Now let us see the next question. The next is important question and it is lengthy also. In the next video we will see this question.